We all want our parts and machinery to last as long as possible. But the fact is, not all parts have the same lifespan, which is why we divide them into 3 levels. Level 1 parts are designed to wear. That's how they protect other parts. They should be replaced regularly before they fail, every time there's a major component rebuild or rebearing and reseal. Replace Level 1 parts regularly and you will maximize the life of Level 2 parts. Level 2 parts are slower wearing and need to be replaced less frequently, typically during before failure rebuilds in addition to Level 1 parts. Level 3 parts are designed to last as long as the machine, and they will, as long as you plan and schedule replacements and repairs to Level 1 and Level 2 parts. And remember, every CAT part has strict reuse and salvage standards. If a part falls within the standards, it can be reused. Now, let's talk about the cost of repairs. Repairs made after breakdown are expensive. They can hurt your bottom line and your productivity. But repairs and maintenance before breakdown will save you time and money. Let's take a Cat 980H transmission as an example. After 14,000 operating hours, a rebearing and reseal costs around $12,000, which is a cost per hour of 86 cents. After 17,000 hours, a before failure rebuild will cost you almost $30,000, or $1.75 per hour. But if you run the component out to failure over 20,000 hours, then the repair bill jumps to almost $53,000, which is a cost per hour of $2.64. Put another way, the extra 3,000 hours you run the machine past the before failure rebuild will cost you $7.69 per hour. As you can see, repair after failure is expensive, and you will not get more value out of your machine or equipment simply by running it until it fails. Take a look at this. Payback hours tell you how many hours you'd need to run your machine before the cost per hour is the same or less than the repair before failure cost per hour. To calculate payback hours, simply divide the total repair after failure cost by the repair before failure cost per hour. In this case, it's over 30,000 hours, which is highly unlikely. Let's look at that from another perspective. We'll use the same Cat 980H transmission as an example again, but this time over 40,000 hours. 3 scenarios. First, rebearings and reseals at 14,000 hours. Then a repair before failure after a further 17,000 hours. Total cost, $41,831. Second, repair before failure at 17,000 hours and another at 34,000 hours, for a total cost of around $60,000. But remember, if you use lower quality aftermarket parts, you'll have to replace them at the next rebuild, which is more expensive. Finally, the component works to failure after 20,000 hours and works to failure again after another 20,000 hours, for a total repair cost of $105,000. It's clear. Lower level repairs and repair before failure with genuine CAT parts can save you a lot of money. So, be sure to pay attention to planned and problem indicators and schedule regular repairs and maintenance before breakdowns. For more information about the most cost-effective and productive maintenance solutions for your equipment, based on length of ownership, utilization, affordability, and turnaround time, contact your CAT dealer today.